To start adding Zoom to Google Calendar, you need the Zoom for Google Workspace add-on. Follow these steps. Navigate to Google Workspace Marketplace. Make sure you are signed into your personal Google account. Then search for the official Zoom add-on. Click on it and then click on the Install button. Log into your Zoom account and grant the necessary permissions. After installing the Zoom add-on, you'll need to authorize it to access your Google Calendar. Open Google Calendar and click on the Zoom icon located on the right-hand sidebar. Or in the add-ons menu, you'll be prompted to sign into your Zoom account. Enter your Zoom credentials and authorize the add-on to access your calendar. Confirm any additional permissions. Now, let's create an event. Open Google Calendar and create a new event. In the Event Details window, click on the Add Google Meet Conferencing drop-down menu and select Zoom Meeting from the options. The Zoom meeting link and details will be automatically generated and added to the Google Calendar event. Click Save to finalize the event. If you're using a real-time transcription tool like Tactiq, you'll be able to get a transcript for your Zoom meeting as well. Once the call is done, your full transcript will be available along with an AI summary. For more Google tips and tricks, visit tactic.io/learn. Subscribe to the Tactiq channel to get the latest tips to make the most out of your meetings.